take off.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the KOOL YouTube channel, and today we're gonna play some solos. You guys, I know you guys want to watch solos, so yeah, I'm back at it again, and I'm gonna play some more solos. I'll meet you at Spawn Island. As well, as you can see, there's 48 hours left of season 6. That is exactly 2 days. So on Thursday, that is when season 6 is gonna end. I'll see you guys in Spawn Island. I'm at Spawn Island. And where should we land? I don't know. I think we should land at Pleasant. I'm gonna go land at Pleasant. Just gotta pickaxe this guy while I'm waiting. Do some emotes. Oh, I think he's going to now. No. Right, let's land at Pleasant Park. Man, I missed the what do you call Fortnite Mayor's bus? It looks cool as there was cool music. Man, I miss Fortnite Mayor's. But season 7 is coming up, which is gotta be even bigger and better. So yeah, can't wait for that. Right, let's jump out. I need good loot when I land. Hopefully not many people land there, cause otherwise I'll just die quickly and it'll be bad. And it'll just be a waste of time. So, is there anybody around? No. There's a guy up there. He's so high. I think he might be going somewhere else. Maybe Haunted Hills Castle. I think so. Well, I'm gonna go to this house. Oh, I heard someone. I definitely heard someone. Right, is there any other loot here? Oh, medkit. I did hear someone land. Right. Not good loot, just a pistol, which is bad. But at least we have a gun. The problem is, it'll be hard to fight. Oh, there you go, that's better. I think I could hear people, I don't know. No, oh, I have enough. Chest up here. I've got an SMG. Oh, it's gone down. And some minis. Okay, that's good. Right, hopefully nobody sees me here. Right. Right, that should be good. Just gotta come out. I did hear people. I just don't know where they are. Right, ammo box. I think only one person landed here. It sounded like more than one, but I think it was only one. Oh wait, I hear gunshots. That sounds far. It sounds very far. Oh wait. I need to supper with my thing there. I hear a chest. But where is it? Man, that always happens. Right, that's good. Search this. I think it's underground. I'm pretty sure. It's under here. Yeah, it's here. Oh, better burst, and I have a chug jug. Oh yes, that's better. The thing is, if someone comes here, they'll see me. So I have to do this quickly. Hopefully nobody's coming. And done. Right. Let's go through. Supply drop there. I think that's far. Yeah, that's sort of far. Where should I go now? I don't know. I think I should just go more to the middle, which is this way. This direction. But I have to be aware for any other people. Oh yeah, I need mats. Oh, why did I shoot? Trying to build. Where was that from? I see. Is he gonna peek out? Is he gonna peek out or no? Wait, I see. Oh, he's trying to boogie bomb me. Oh, he's taking shots. I see him. Down. What the? Okay, I got one shot. That's still kind of bad actually. Don't know how I only got one shot on him. But it's building more. What the hell? Oh, those shots though. Oh, and he had a scar. A suppressed scar. That was a good kill. Wow, that was actually good. I don't know how I did that, but I did. First kill of the game, guys. It's pretty good so far. Man, those shotgun shots though, they went right on him. They did lots of damage. Shoot, that was good. Damn. I was just collecting mats and then he started shooting at me. I thought he was better than me because he started gliding in. I was like, oh no. Because I thought that he's good since he's rushing, but he was actually very bad. I don't know why he started rushing. Because he was bad. No offense. Like, that's the truth. He was actually kind of bad. But it was a good kill. It was a good kill of this game. First kill as well. And it's also like top 21 people, including me. Right. I don't see anybody now. I don't see anyone. Is there anyone? No. I'm gonna get some brick as well. Oh wait, the next ring? Oh, it looks like a Snobby Shore's ending. I'm actually gonna head there now. Damn, I've got good loot. I got a heavy sniper, got a suppressed scar, green pump. Well, I have a bad SMG, but at least I have a SMG, which is good. Oh, I just noticed. I should drink my shield. Alright, let's go. Just get my health up a little bit more by drinking some shield. That last mini I had. Right. It's looking good. It's looking good this round. It's looking good. Very good. With my loot and everything is looking good. I also have a kill, which is very good. Well, I hit all of those circles. I accidentally destroyed the whole thing. Right, I'm in the ring now, which is... Oh, wait, I saw someone. I just saw someone. I don't know if he's gonna go for me. And they're not in the ring, so they will come my direction. They might come and they might see me. Oh, that's perfect. A full pot. Yeah, that's very good. That's good. The thing is, they might come. Right, we're good. We're all good now. I think I should go Snobby. Yeah, I'm gonna go Snobby Shores, because it's in the ring. So yeah, I'm gonna go there. This round is actually a very good round. I cannot believe that I've done this good. Man, these two mountains will have people on. Whoa! Yeah, this guy from the back is trying to shoot me. Also trying to snipe me. Oh yeah, he's trying to snipe me. Oh man, that bad building. That's fine. Oh no! How did he snipe me, man? That's bad. He knows that I'm low. Oh, he's trying to destroy my base. Where is he? What? Wait, when did he come there? Oh, that was a good game though. I didn't even hear him, which is weird. Right, I'll meet you guys in the lobby. Okay guys, I'm gonna play another round of solos. I might play 2 more rounds actually. So yeah, I'll meet you guys at Spawn Island. Okay guys, change of plans. This is actually gonna be our last round. Because the first round was very long. Whoa, that just made me go low. Oh, miss. Oh, one hit. Wait, right, this is gonna be the last round. Where should I land? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna land at Lazy Links, you know? That's another good place. So yeah, I'm gonna land there. Hopefully I can do as good as last round, because last round was a very good round. Like, it was such a good round. I got a kill, and it was a pump kill. It was a very cool kill. Man, that was such a good kill actually. I can't believe I did that. But hopefully the same can happen in this round. So yeah, I'm gonna land at Lazy Links. And I need to get good loot. If there's bad loot, then that just tells that I'm just gonna die quickly, since I'm not gonna get good loot. Why did I land at the spot? I should land in the house. And there's someone there. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Oh wait, there's a turret and a grey vending machine. I've actually never seen that. Right. Oh, okay then. That's very aggressive. I'm gonna get some mats quickly. Right. I need to get another gun, cause just a thing. I'm gonna check in here. Just a rocket launcher will be bad, cause I need something like an AR as well, or a shotgun for close range. Oh, that's what I needed. Yeah, that's better. Right, I got a chicken here. There's a turret. Right. Man, that kill. I just can't stop talking about it. It was so good. Right. Is there anything here? Is there anything here? Oh. Oh, that's the challenge. Oh, yeah. I forgot about it. Okay. I think I heard a chest up here. Right. Oh, this is an ammo box. I think the other side has a chest. I thought I heard a chest. There's actually none. What? Oh, it's not there anymore. I don't hear it now. I can't hear it. Right, I'm gonna go in here. Minis, minis, minis. I hear someone with the balloons. I can't even get in here. Oh, wait. There. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What? Ew, what? No way! I didn't even see him! Oh, and he died as well! Oh, this guy has so good loot! Heavy shotgun! Right, I think I'm gonna play another round, because that was a very quick round. Okay guys, this is gonna be the last round! I'll meet you guys at Spawn Island! Oh yeah, and season 7 is coming up, which is gonna be okay guys, insane. I'm in Spawn Island now. Let's just do some emotes, you know. Whoa, oh there. It was kind of glitched out. I don't know what this guy's doing. He's just pickaxing. Let's get towards this person. Oh no, it stopped it. Nobody cares about my emote, the free one. Well, I guess because it's free. Right, let's try and pickaxe this guy. No damage. Okay, where should we land? I'm thinking... I don't know. I think... Retail row. Right, let's go. Retail row has a lot of people, but this is good so that I could practice. So yeah. Let's go land at retail. I need good loot. Like, normally this place has good loot. But we're unlucky lately. I don't know why we don't get good loot. Which is pretty bad. I don't know why. I don't know why that happens. Because this place has a lot of good loot. But for us, it's like bad stuff. Right, is there anything in here? On the roof, there normally will be like a chest. There it is. And a grey burst. I hear another chest down here somewhere. Actually, no way, I could fall down. Oh no, I can't. Oh, it's there. Wait, I need to destroy this. Right. Second chest has the same gun and grenades. That is unlucky. Oh, okay, that's good. Is there any minis though? Is there any minis? Oh, what is in here? This is the outside. There's no door here. I'm just gonna drink it. Right, I need a shotgun. And I also need a SMG. Oh, that's better. Right. Anything? Oh, this is the same place where that chest was. And here is some mats. You know, you need mats to build. Wait, I heard someone throw... People are throwing grenades and it's so close. Well, I don't think it's at me, but it's close. Oh, I could also hear gunshots, right. Need some more mats quickly. I see a pot. I'm going for... Oh no, that's not a pot. It's an AK. I'm gonna do that for like a push weapon. There might be someone here. see someone. He's running that way. Oh, that guy is a good builder. That was good building right there. Did you guys see that? I don't think I could build like that. Yeah, I can't build like that actually. I saw this green burst. I'm gonna take it. Right. So I don't want to engage yet because it looks like they're fighting. I'm gonna take this quickly. And are they still fighting there? I don't see any buildings now. It looks like that guy just destroyed it. Oh wait, here's a guy. Whoa, what? Oh, oh. Whoa, what the? How did he do that? Dude, how did he do that? Oh, that kill, man. Whoa. Oops, oops, oops. I'm getting too carried away. What? That guy must be mad because I wasn't doing that great and I still won that match. I'm gonna drop my, come on, it's this button. Oh, what? Drop all of it. I'm gonna drop those and, get these mats and stuff. Right. Is there any shield? I think that was the last guy. Yeah, that was actually, I think, the last guy. Nope. Whoa, that high building sensitivity. No! What? How did he do that? I had shield. That was so much damage. Oh, it was a hand cannon. But how was he that accurate? Because he was moving around the 100% accuracy thing he wasn't using. Why is he not getting the scar though? That's so weird. I think he hates the suppressed. Maybe that's why. Damn! Hope you guys enjoy the video. Just me playing solos. Make sure to like, share, subscribe for more cool videos. Check out our other videos, our other Fortnite videos, you know. And goodbye.